Gilgit Baltistan is a land of magic and majesty, the home of hundreds of wonders of nature. Though difficult to access, it is a destination worth the journey. One enters this hidden heaven tucked away in the extreme north of Pakistan through the scenic Babusar Pass or the adventurous Karakoram Highway along the river Indus depending on the time of year. An air journey subject to weather conditions can also be taken from Islamabad. The wonders of this region start right from the windy heights of the Babusar Top in district Diyamar. Historical and archaeological sites are found in Diyamar, such as the rock art patterns of Chilas depicting Near Eastern art traditions. The altar rock depicting warrior images reminiscent of Western Iranian influences is situated near Thalpan Bridge. Diyamar is also home to the aptly named alpine pasture of Fairy Meadows at the foot of the formidable Nanga Parbat, the second highest peak in Pakistan, also dubbed the Killer Mountain due to the extreme challenge it presents to climbers. District Astor along the KKH has beautiful waterfalls, rivers and lakes. Rama Lake is quite famous and one of the main attractions of the region. Astor is also known for its beautiful forests of pine and deodar. Dirley Lake is also worth visiting and provides excellent fishing points. Village Tarishing near Nanga Parbat is also frequented by tourists. The entire region is enchantingly beautiful with its fairy tale-like atmosphere. The breathtaking Devsai National Park near Astor features the beautiful Shevsar Lake. It has its own unique flora and fauna. Its colorful wildflowers are said to have medicinal properties. It has a wonderful camping site called Bada Pani. The park can also be reached through Skardu. On the way from Diyamar to Gilgit, one comes upon the junction point of the Karakoram, the Himalaya, and the Hindu Kush mountain ranges. Gilgit city itself has colonial-era historical sites such as Chinar Bagh, the Old Bridge, Bidulph House, which is now a public library, and the British Cemetery, where various European explorers are buried. Other sites of interest in and around Gilgit are the Karga Buddha rock carving, the Mughal Minar, the Danyor Bridge and Tunnel, and the Chinese Memorial Garden. There is a popular ski club in Naltar Valley near Gilgit. Naltar is famed for its colorful lakes and forests of cypress and cedar. Rich experiences await the visitor in Khizr. Bhandar Lake, Khalti Lake, and Kurumbar Lake in Ishkoman are the main attractions here. The Langar camping site is very popular as well. Tourists also visit the remains of the historic Gupis Fort. The district is known for its delicious trout fish. Another special food is kilau, made from dry fruits dipped in grape syrup. Traditional farming methods are still in practice here, and the deep attachment to agriculture is seen in harvest festivals such as Bogayan. In Nagar district, a significant natural phenomenon is at hand at the collision point of the Eurasian and the Indian continental plates near Chalt. Local craftsmen can be seen making wooden utensils along the way. The visitor can stop by to taste the famous chapshuro, kind of local meat pie. Visitors can also enjoy the high-quality local fruits. Nagar also boasts the Hopper Glacier and famed mountains Raka Pochi, Golden Peak, and Dhiran Peak. Historical sites here include the mansion of the Prince of Nagar and the wooden Baradari representing a strong Mughal influence. Hunza offers a variety of experiences to all kinds of tourists. The historical Altit Fort and Baltit Fort and the ancient Ganesh settlement are mostly frequented by visitors. Carvings bearing inscriptions in various ancient languages are found at the Haldekish rocks. In Gojal, a number of natural attractions are present, such as the Atabad Lake, the Borit Lake, the uniquely shaped Paso Cones, Paso Glacier, and Batura Glacier. Shimshal and Chapursan valleys are also worth visiting. Chapursan is parallel to Afghanistan's Wakhan corridor. Here, the shrine of Baba Gundi comes alive with enthusiastic participants at the Baba Gundi festival, which also features the game of Buskashi. The Tour de Khunjarab cycling competition starts from Gilgit with the finish line at the Khunjarab top. Skardu is another well-known, attractive destination and the central hub of Baltistan region. The traveler can reach Skardu through the adventurous KKH or take a flight from Islamabad. Its surroundings have their beautiful crafts and culture visible along the way. Its famous lakes are Kachura and Satpara, while Manthal Buddha carvings, relics of the pre-Islamic past of the region, have historic importance, as has the Kharpocho fort. The beautiful Shigar Valley hosts the Sarfaranga Rally, attracting adventurers from all over the country and abroad. A rafting contest called Zakh is also part of the activities here. Historical attractions of Shigar include the Shigar Fort, the Amburik Mosque built in the 14th century, and the Khilingrong Mosque. Khanqah-e-Mualla Shigar. The area draws a large number of climbers from the international adventure enthusiasts and features K2, the highest peak in Pakistan and the second highest in the world, as well as glaciers such as the Baltoro Glacier. In Ganche, one sees abundant natural beauty as well as preservation of history, particularly in and around Khapulo. Historical sites include the Khapulo Fort, Khanqah-e-Mualla Noorbakhshiya, Mir Muhammad Astana, the shrine of Sufi missionary Mir Arif, and Chakchan Mosque, considered to be the oldest in Gilgit Baltistan, built during the time of Sayyid Ali Hamdani. One can also relax around a number of picnic points and several small tourist stops. Kharmang boasts the Kharmang Fort, which is an interesting relic of indigenous architecture and history. The area is also the center of activities during the ancient winter fire festival of Meifang, which dates back to Buddhist times. Kharmang's delicious apples are famous far and wide. It also has various picturesque picnic points where one can enjoy and relax, like the Mantoha waterfall. Tourists can enjoy the refreshing atmosphere here. Polo is an integral part of the culture of Gilgit Baltistan. Polo festivals are held in Shandur, Rama, and Babusar. They combine sportsmanship, music, and dance in one intense celebration. Traditional dances have features of warrior themes. Gilgit Baltistan's various regions also have their own types of music. While music from across the Chinese border is also featured in festivals. Gilgit Baltistan offers diversity in all natural and cultural features. It has an ancient history, including shamanistic traditions. Its natural wonders range from scenic valleys and mountains to the treasures of precious gemstones, which are perfected into jewels by master craftsmen and women. The countless attractions of Gilgit Baltistan make it a deeply appealing destination, both for adventurers and holiday tourists seeking a pleasant and relaxing time. Its locals are famously warm and welcoming. Visit Gilgit Baltistan and return with wonderful experiences and unforgettable memories.